Think you've mastered the bench press. Be honest. Are you pressing the bar or is the bar pressing you? Because 8 out of 10 lifters mess this up and don't even realize they're putting their shoulders and gains at risk every single rep. Curiosity build common mistakes. Let's start with the truth. The bench press is one of the most powerful exercises for building upper body strength, but it's also one of the most butchered. I've seen people bouncing the bar off their chest like it's a trampoline. Others flare their elbows so wide, they're basically begging their shoulders to give up. And some, they lift their hips off the bench, turning it into some weird half-bridge, half-press move. Pause, lean in. But here's the kicker. Every one of these mistakes steals your power and sets you up for injury. Layer 1, the simple fix. Okay, let's strip it down. The foundation of a skyscraper decides how tall it can stand. Your foundation here is your setup. Step 1, plant your feet flat on the ground. Don't let them dangle, don't let them dance. Think of your legs as anchors keeping your whole body stable. Step 2, lie back and keep your shoulder blades squeezed together, like you're pinching a pencil between them. This instantly creates a strong base for pressing power. Layer 2, intermediate fixes. Now here, where people start to unlock strength. Hand placement, too narrow and you're stressing your triceps, too wide and you're crushing your shoulders. Aim for just slightly wider than shoulder width. When you lower the bar, your forearms should look vertical, like solid pillars holding up a bridge. And the bar path, it's not straight up and down like an elevator. It's more like a slight arc. Lower it to your mid-chest, not your neck. Bring it down under control, pause for a second, then press up and back, finishing right above your eyes. Mini light bulb moment. Notice how that path feels smoother and stronger. That's your body working with physics, not against it. Layer 3, advanced tweaks. All right, advanced lifters. This is where small details create big gains. Keep a tight core throughout, like you're bracing for a punch. Think of your abs as the foundation of that skyscraper we talked about earlier. Drive through your legs. Yes, your legs. Push your feet into the ground as you press, and you'll feel extra power transfer straight into the bar. This is called leg drive, and it's a game changer. And here's a sneaky tip. Keep your wrists stacked directly over your elbows. That alignment takes pressure off the joints and channels all your strength straight into the lift. Wrong versus right contrast. Compare this. Backhand index pointing right, wrong form. Elbows flared out, bar bouncing, hips lifting, wrists bent back. Looks messy, feels painful. Backhand index pointing right, right form. Shoulders tight, feet planted, smooth bar path, wrists stacked. Looks clean, feels powerful. Closing challenge and motivation. So here's your challenge. Grab a bar, strip the weight back if you need to, and try 10 flawless reps. Focus on foot drive, shoulder stability, and that smooth bar path. Notice how different it feels when every part of your body is working together. That's not just bench pressing, that's bench mastering. Remember, perfect reps build perfect strength. Keep practicing, keep refining in your chest, and your numbers will thank you. Now go hit that bench like you own it. I'll see you in the next workout.